All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. As I continue on with my haul from AliExpress. AliExpress, folks, has proven to be trustworthy now. Their shipping is faster than, it's just nuts. Their shipping is so fast. It's just gotten so much better that I'm surprised at how I feel now about AliExpress. So I got this case right here, frosted, and I got this case without the MagSafe because I don't have to have MagSafe at all times. I do have wireless charging, and I decided to get this because I like frost cases, and so I was comparing this to some of the other cases that I've gotten in that are really way more expensive. And this is a hit. This is a hit too. This was I think it was $2 or something like that, or $3, and it's a win. It's if you want a clear case, if you're the person who you don't really need you don't have to have MagSafe, this case right here is going to justify you spending the $2 or $3 or whatever it is. Now, some of you guys have been asking for links. The reason I didn't post a link in the other ones because there's so many sellers, and if you're wondering why that looks like that on my camera module, well, my D brand showed up for my grip case. Ooh. But, you know, these cases that are coming from AliExpress are the same cases that you're buying on Amazon, eBay for $15, $20, you know? And then this case right here is the truth. This is simply just a $100 case in the United States. It's crazy. So I got this frosted clear case because I like frost clear cases, you know, if I want to show off the color of the device, or I just want something that's just more of a matte feel completely. This kicks in, and this was like $2 when I bought it, or $3, I believe. It's just a really solid case. So you can see here, all ports and everything line up perfectly fine. The back camera area here has a little bit of lip protection. And I also have camera module protectors on mine. I don't know if you guys remember, I put those on there. I didn't do a video, but I did put them on there. So, and then all the ports and everything here are open. And you can see the camera module, excuse me, not the camera, the hinge is open as well. So this is a solid case. And it actually has lip protection, like these indentions here. And it comes up for like some kind of protection for the front, even though I have a screen protector on there. This is fire, folks. This is a solid case. If you're willing to wait 3 or 4 days, because I've been getting these in about I think the longest I waited was 7 days for this one. But for $3 all in with shipping and everything, and it ships fast. The reason it takes 7 days is because when it has to clear customs, it sits there sometimes for 3 days. Other than that, this is a quick, easy purchase, folks. This is one that I highly recommend you start shopping on AliExpress. I don't have any kind of sponsorships or anything from AliExpress. I just decided I'm going to start shopping on AliExpress to find some cases because I don't like cases. Generally, I just don't wear cases. But if I wear one, it's going to have to be an ultra thin case like this. And I got both of these from AliExpress for a total of $7 for both, I believe it was. Now, the price is going to change when I go in there, but I put a link. Everybody wanted this one, so I put a link for this one. And when I put the link out there, I think it was $5 on that case now. But in the end, for some reason, I've just been rocking my D brand grip, and I've just been loving it. However, and I also got a free black version of this as well. But this case right here is going to be a solid case for someone who's willing to wait 3 to 5 days, 3 to 7 days, and get it in from AliExpress. It's totally worth it, man. I can't tell a person keep shopping on Amazon. I'm not trying to take anything from Amazon because I buy stuff from Amazon and other places, but yeah, I just don't think it's worth paying the same price. Or you can get these cases like this for $2 or $3 if you're willing to wait. And the more you shop, the more coupons you get. They just keep piling stuff on. The price just goes down and down and down. I got a big haul of stuff coming from AliExpress right now to be here and it only took, it took 4 days, 2 days to get into the United States, and it's been sitting in customs for 2 days, and then it just cleared, and now it's already in California. So a total of 5 to 7 days roughly for all my orders from AliExpress. Totally worth it, folks. Do it. Not lying. So just Google Frost case for Z Fold 8. And you should start to see some of these pop up. It's your man, Jay. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.